Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for sustainable packaging solutions business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the website. Now create new site. Now build with Wix editor. Click here. Now enter your business type or your website type. So for example this. Now if you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. Now enter the business name or the store name, type any name you want. Do you already have a low-light store? Choose if you already have or not. Now let's move on. What will you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, print on demand products, and digital products. Now let's continue. Where would you like to sell? In person, marketplaces, and social media, and online store, and my mobile app. Now let's move on. Continue to dashboard. Now design the site here. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. I'll wait a few seconds. Enter your information here, your email, your address, your phone, and here if you want to add social link. So let's move on. Now pick a theme you like. So for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design. So for example this. Now let's continue. Here if you want to add page to your site. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is ready and running. Now if you want to edit more your site, click here. So this is the homepage designs, the homepage website. Here if you want to add elements, click here. So the first element is the text. Here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the text, the titles and the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image elements. Here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload images or if you want to import images. Here if you're looking for free Wix image. So let's move on to the button. Also the button here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the buttons. So this is the same buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons and the iTunes buttons, the pay buttons and the PayPal buttons. Here the payments, the payments buttons. So if you need some buttons, just hold on it and put it on your website, and it will be added on your home page here. So let's move on to the strip. So if you want classic or future, the about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials or theme, just uh, put it on your website homepage and it will be added on it. So now let's move on to the decorative elements, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines. Here the vector art, the feature, the icons, animals in nature, the logos, the characters, the video box and the video mask and transparent video. So now let's move on to the boxes elements, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes and tabs. So if you want to add something on your home page, select any hover boxes or any container boxes from here. So now let's move on to the gallery elements. If you're looking for recommended galleries, if if you want pro galleries or grid galleries or slider galleries. Here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on now to the menu and the anchor, the themed menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor and the in-page menu, and here the search, the site search elements. So if you want to add something, just put it here on your website and it should be done. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, the request forms, the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. Here the Google Maps, the normal maps, and the full width maps. Here is the chat, the Wix chat or the line button. So let's move on to the video and music. Here if you want to add something on your website of video, the single video players or Wix video, video box, video mask, transparent video, audio players or Wix music, or the music elements, Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button. Now let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, the full width slideshows or the boxes, the box slideshows. Here the light boxes, the boxes, the over boxes and the tabs, and here the repeaters, the over repeaters. Now let's move on to the list elements. Here the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank. So if you want to add something, just select any something here you want, and that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, here if you want to edit the audio elements, here the advanced elements, the marketing tools, and dev mode, and the last element is the animation elements. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars here, or Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest, VK or Line, there's the YouTube bar. Now let's move on to the payments buttons. So here if you want to add some payments buttons or payments forms, percent plans, or here if you want to edit the store elements. Now let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to easily manage your site contents, we find here the blog, the store. Also here the store if you want to edit the store elements, the bookings elements, and the related elements. So let's move on now to the events and community, and the last is your designs. Now here if you want to add section, click here, select any section you want and put it on your website. Here if you want to design the site, if you want to customize your site design, the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. Here if you want to add more apps, here if you want to manage your business, here if you want to upload your media. So here you can upload your media. You can also, if you're looking for something, here if you want to edit images and videos, here if you want a free Wix image or free Wix videos. So here the same as here if you want to easily manage your site content. Here the marketing and SEO, the Google ads, the Facebook ads and SEO, the social media marketing, and the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now if you want to design your website from here, if you want to move the sections, if you want to move it down or move it up, if you want to do a quick edit, here if you want to explore more layouts, explore section layout. Here if you want to add more sections, more actions, you can duplicate the section or delete the section or copy or cut. So that's it. Now after you're done from editing or designing your websites, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.